Reading Pioneers is proud to present Mommy Says I'm a Big Kid, written by Shantae J. Adams, illustrated by Alyssa Lasco. Mommy says I'm a big kid. Big kids go to school. I'm excited to go. The playground looks so cool. The teacher seems nice. The class even has a pet. Mommy says there are some things I must not forget. Always say please and thanks. And remember to share. Put your toys back where they belong to show you care. Take a cozy nap because you will need your rest. Experience new things and do your very best. Raise your hand up high when you have something to say. Be sure to wash your hands clean to keep germs away. Never chew on crayons. Your teeth will turn color. Make a ton of friends and have fun with each other. Pay close attention to lessons your teachers plan. Always ask a question when you don't understand. Mommy says these are things all big kids need to know. I'm a big kid now. It's time that I learn and grow. Thank you, Pioneers, for reading with us today to the book Mommy Says I'm a Big Kid by Shantae J. Adams. This cute story was dedicated and inspired by Justice Adams and is a fun book showing thoughts and reminders when it comes to the first day of school. Mommy Says is actually a book series that you can find on Barnes & Noble to read with your young ones as a fun bedtime story. To support Shantae, you can visit her website on Canva at author Shantae J 2022 and follow her on Instagram, all of which are linked in the description box down below. I am very thankful that Shantae let me read this book on this channel with you, as well as the other books from the Mommy Says series. If you have a book you'd like to be read on this channel, please send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, so we can turn it into the next video. Also, it would really help this channel if you like the video, share it with your family, and subscribe clicking the notification bell to stay updated with future read-alouds coming soon. Unfortunately, this is it for today's video. While waiting for the next story, remember to visit Barnes & Noble to purchase a copy of this book, and check out this YouTube channel for a playlist including all of Shantae's Mommy Says children's books as read-aloud stories. Thanks again, readers, for joining us today, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye!